Hey guys, you want to change your vehicle from that stock white overhead view to the actual color of your truck. Here's how you do it. First, you start the vehicle, then you're going to find that audio button, and you're going to go from your auto on your headlights to on and off. So to start the process, all you're going to do is hold the audio, and you're going to do the switch from auto to headlight on 3 times. So let's give that a whirl. Holding the audio button. 1, 2, 3. Now you see that the service menu has come up. We're going to go into function settings, camera settings, body color settings. My truck's black. And there it is there. Now you could go to any other color, of course. Let's see what we have here. Blue. Okay. Anyhow, black. Okay. And back. Now to set that in, shut the vehicle off.
Powering down.
Turn it back on.
Restarting.
And there we go. Now it's in black. Easy as that.